Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm so glad that I'm going to open a box for you. Yes, just you and me alone with a Jeffree Star Deluxe mystery box. Yes, I finally got it. I got it a week from when I ordered it, which I think is pretty fast. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I really appreciate your support. I'm about 20 people away from 1,500 subscribers. I'm going to have a big giveaway for that. I'm also going to have a big giveaway for my 2-year anniversary, which is August 1st. So we got 2 big giveaways coming up soon. So stick around for that. But without any further ado, unleash the beast. It's got my name here, but it's very exciting. It's a very nice size box. I do wish that there had been a piece of clothing in here. I was not going to pay the $180 to get a piece of clothing from him. I mean, I know you got more stuff than that too. And I have not seen any sneak peeks on this box or the Star Ranch palette. So everything is going to be a surprise to me, brand new. I love to see things and get my first reaction. That is my favorite thing to do, is to be surprised. Surprise! It's blue paper! Woo woo! All right, some tissue paper. All right, we take that off. It's a bunch of stuff in here. Look at all that stuff. I have a ton of Jeffree Star stuff, so some of this may be new to me, some of it may not be new to me, but I'm very excited to see what I have in here. Let's start with this. It is Ice Tray. It is an eyeshadow, a single eyeshadow, and I'm not sure which collection it's from. But anyway, Ice Tray. It's a pretty blue. Pretty blue gray. Let's take it out and really take a good look at it. Oh, it's really, really pretty. Maybe it's from Blue Blood. I don't know. I don't memorize all the colors. He's got so many dang palettes. Who knows? Oh, there's 2 more little eyeshadows. This one is called Extraction. These are all pressed pigments. They're like 10 or 12 bucks. That is gorgeous. That would look great with my eye look that I have today. That is really beautiful. And then we have licorice, which I don't care for black licorice. I love some Twizzlers all day. I don't want no red vines. Red vines can go suck it. But that's really pretty. I think that is from, I want to say Jawbreaker, but Jawbreaker's got a brighter red than that. Let's see. We have a liquid lippy, and it is, oh, I do have some green lippies. I have Crocodile Tears. I have Karma. I have Dirty Money. I even have the little mini of Equality. So I'm into the green lippies, but this is like bright ass green. I don't know if I'll ever wear that, but I can use it on my eyes. Let's take a look. Venus Flytrap. Oh, good Lord. It is very green. But it'll go with my great green lipstick collection from Jeffree. So that's very cool. We know those are about $18. Doll hairs. Do you like when people say doll hairs rather than dollars? Then I have Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lip Scrub. And it is in pink grapefruit. Somebody will love that. Pink grapefruit, that's just not my jam. Like if it was pink lemonade, I'd been like all about it. But let's just take a gander at what it looks like in the jar. or maybe not. And it just looks beautiful. And somebody will love the pink grapefruit. And did you know grapefruit is a natural way to control your blood pressure? If you have high blood pressure, as long as you're not on high blood pressure medicine, you can eat grapefruit and it'll help you lower your blood pressure. Then I have a lip gloss, and it is beaded glass, and I want to say I think I have this one. I'm not going to open it up because it's too hard to get everything back in. But we know this is a gorgeous. I'm pretty sure I have it. I've got several of the lip glosses. But this is great, and I can add it to my collection, or I can sell it on Mercari. And then we've got more stuff. Even more stuff in here. Oh no. I'm laughing at the thing down there. Ooh, this is in Bloodstain. This is another liquid lip. Oh no, it's not. It's the tinted lip balm. Oh, that's awesome. I'm totally down with a tinted lip balm. I live for tinted lip balms. And this is Bloodstain. I can't wait to swipe it on my hand because I love the bullet. I love the bullet. Oh, and it's like my favorite color for a lip stain. Or a lip. That is beautiful. That is my favorite color for a tinted lip balm. So, fucking A, yeah. Now we have from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. What is this? It's got plastic wrap on it. I'm trying to see if I can't open it. I don't want to tear up the box. I'm tearing up the box. Good Lord, Jeffree. I don't know what this is. Is this like a little mirror or something? Here we go. I'm getting it unwrapped now. Unwrapped for your pleasure. What is this? Is this? Oh, maybe it's a little palette to put the little singles in. And I've got some other singles from him, so that's very cool. It's a little magnetic palette. Very, very handy. Very good to have. I've got 3 other single eyeshadows, so that'll look great. This is totally going on Mercari. I totally am too fat to wear. It's great, but I'm too fat to wear a fanny pack. But this is really cute, and a lot of people would love it, but this is going on Mercari today. All right, and last but not least, the thing that I'm the most excited about, because I haven't seen any sneak peeks, and this is the Jeffree Star Ranch. Let me wipe that off my hand. It's gonna annoy me. All right, Star Ranch palette, and I'm very excited to see. A friend of mine said they weren't gonna spoil it for me, but they weren't excited about it. It's very ranch, cowboy kind of font there. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I'm so excited. And that is so cute. Little pink cows. Oh, okay. This is interesting, but I like it. I like it. So we've got Yak Farm, Owl Eyes, Open Range, Casper, Montana, Wyoming, Star Creek, Old Jeff, Grand Prismatic, and Winter Wind. Let's just swipe a few there. Let me get that green a little better. Very pretty. I love that blue. I love the blue and browns together. That's very sweet. I like it. It's not, I don't know if I would have run out and bought it. I probably would have because I'm a big Jeffree fan. But those are really, that's a beautiful palette, and it's totally Western kind of colors. Like the big sky and all the dirt and the fences and the cows and such. Very cool. I'm happy with my box. I got a lot of stuff, and it's cool. I hope you have enjoyed my unboxing. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and hopefully we'll see you real soon.